In PHP 8, 3 handy string functions have been added. Let me show them to you. First up, string contains. As the name implies, this function will return true when the needle is found in the haystack and false if the haystack doesn't contain the needle. Let's do a quick example. I'm going to echo out yes when it's true and no when it's false. Let's put echo in front. Haystack comes first. So let's use maybe PHP 8 and also as the needle PHP 8. So the string is found in the needle. So I expect yes and we get yes. Now, even if PHP 8 is in the middle of the string, we still get yes. But if I break up that string, then it's no. The second new string function is string starts with. And this one returns true when the haystack begins with the needle. So right now it doesn't, so we get no. But let's make it start with PHP 8. And now we get yes. And the third new string function is string ends with. And now our string doesn't end with PHP 8, so we get no. But let's make it end on PHP 8. We still get no because we have the space here. Let me remove it. Let's run it again. We get yes. And of course, if I should break this up, we get no again. I think these 3 handy string functions were long overdue, and I'm happy that we now have them in PHP 8.